think about it, are you really eating all the right foods that are essential to your health? Well, according to the Columbian Electronic Encyclopedia, the food pyramid is basically a diagram that is used in nutrition education that fits all of the food groups into a triangle. Well, when you look at the triangle, you see 5 different groups. In each of these groups, you have different amounts of different types of foods that you need. In the lowest and largest level, you have breads, cereals, potatoes, rice, anything with wheat, and as you can see as the examples, you have bread, a crescent roll, cereal, macaroni, and potatoes. In this level, you need the most of it, and we'll talk about that later. In the next level, you have your fruits and veggies, and for examples, you have broccoli, apple, pineapples, strawberries, and carrots. Next, you have milk, cheese, and yogurt level, and that is any kind of dairy product. And for example, you have milk, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. And beside it, you have the meat, fish, and alternatives, which include poultry. And so, for example, you have a steak, fish, lobster, and eggs. And in the top level, you have food, drinks, and snacks that are high in sugar, high in fat, and high in salt. So that would be any kind of caffeinated drink, candy, cookies, any kind of sweets or desserts, or like it says, anything high in sugar, fat, or salt. So to understand the food pyramid, you need to know why each level is different. And as you see in the lowest level, it's the biggest, so therefore you need the most. And the reason you have the food pyramid is because you need to know what you need. And according to the Importance of Health Diet, British Journal of Healthcare Assistants, having enough to eat and drink is one of the most basic human requirements and is essential to maintain your health and your well-being. And so you need every single level of the food pyramid. So on the bottom level, you have the bread, cereals, and potatoes, and you need 6 to 8 servings of this in a whole day, in 24 hours. And that is your biggest level. Next up, you have your fruits and vegetables, and you need around 5 to 6 servings of this in your day between the 3 meals and snacks. And the milk, cheese, and yogurt, you need about 2 to 4, just depending on what you get of others. And the same goes for the meat, fish, and alternatives. You need 2 to 4 servings in the whole day. And then food, drinks, and snacks that are high in salt, sugar, and fat, you really only need 1, but to maintain a diet, you need 1 to 2. And while that sounds like, oh, that's unhealthy, that's actually what your body needs. Your body needs fats and lipids to build off of. According to the nutrition guidelines of Magnus Medical Group guide, obesity, the reason this food pyramid was created was because obesity became a governmental concern because it was rising in children and it was rising in adults. And to teach everyone what they need. And so now that you know all of the different groups and you know which ones are most important, you need to know that the food pyramid is not the same for everybody. The food pyramid is not even the same for yourself, is not the same throughout your whole life. As you grow and go through life changes, so does it. So when you're the age 2 and when you're the age 20, it is not the same. A 2-year-old does not eat the same as a 20-year-old. And that's where it comes in as the portion changes as you grow older and the size of your whole pyramid changes. And to grow and to go through life changes, you need this. And you need to be able to incorporate every single part of the food pyramid. And so today I had the honor of teaching you all about the different parts, and now that you know the 5 different groups and how it changes and what is essential. I hope that you can apply this to your life and get many benefits from it. And if you follow the food pyramid guidelines, there will be healthy life. Your life will be healthier, and you'll receive many benefits from feeling better to changing in size, losing weight, and gaining what is actually good for your body. So